Alrighty, so for our example here, we have Jamie, and Jamie wants to take a trip around the world. She plans to deposit $225 at the beginning of each month. That is key information. So $225 at the beginning of each month. And it will have 2.25% interest rate, so 2.25% compounded monthly. And we want to know how much money she's going to have in this account after 6 years. So after 6 years. So right now we want to know what the future value is. So when I pull up my Excel calculator, I want to make sure I'm on the future value tab, which I am, and I'm going to scroll down pretty slow right here. So if you notice right here, line 8 says it's made at the end of the month or it's not specified. Well, it's specified when this one was going to be made. It said it was going to be made at the beginning of each month. Therefore, I'm going to use line 15 and 16 and 17 because it's telling me it's made at the beginning of the first period. Now C is how much money we're talking about here. Well, right here we have $225 per month. It says it is compounded monthly, so N is 12. Our percent is 2.25%, and time is 6 years. Well, it looks like after 6 years, we will have $17,359.54 in this account.